forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss matrices, chapter number 3. What is matrix? First definition. An arrangement of numbers is known as matrix. It is denoted by capital letters of English alphabet. The numbers of the matrix are known as entries or elements, and these elements are kept in square bracket or small bracket. For example, A equal to this and B equal to this. In first matrix there are 6 elements, in second matrix there are 9 elements. The horizontal lines are known as rows and they are denoted by R1, R2, R3. And the vertical lines are known as columns C1, C2. Same as in Excel sheet of computer. In second matrix, there are 3 columns C1, C2, C3 and 3 rows R1, R2, R3. So conclusion is horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines are known as columns. Now remarks. Number 1. Size of matrix. Is equal to number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows by number of columns. In this matrix, how many rows are there? There are 3 rows. And how many columns are there? 2. So don't skip 3 into 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Similarly, that matrix, size of this matrix 3 by 3 because number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 3. Remark number 2. Aij is equal to element of ith row and jth column. For example, if I take A23 means element of second row and third column. If we take this matrix, then A23 represent second row. There is no third column, so I will take 1. Second row and first column. This is second row, this is first column, so 3. If I take this matrix, matrix P, and if I write A23, it means element of second row and third column. Element of second row and third column. So this is second row or this is third column, so 7. Remark number 3. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of the same size and each element of matrix A is equal to corresponding element of matrix B. For example, A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 3 and 5. Then A equal to B. Because each element of matrix A is equal to corresponding elements of matrix B. Means element of first row and first column equal to element of first row and first column of second matrix. Element of second row and second column equal to element of second row and second column. So A equal to B. Let's do some problems. Question 1. In the matrix A equal to this, write the following. The order of the matrix. The order of the matrix. How many rows are there? R1, R2 and R3. And how many columns are there? C1, C2, C3 and C4. C1, C2, C3, C4. R1, R2, R3. So order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Number of rows 3 and number of columns 4. The number of elements is equal to number of row into number of columns, means 12. We can count also by multiplying, so we can find. The elements A13. A13 represent element of ith row and means first row and third column. Element of first row and third column is equal to a first row and third column is this element 19. A21 means element of second row and first column. Second row and first column means 35. A33 element of third row and third column. Third row and third column minus 5. A24 second row and fourth column. Second row and fourth column is 12. A23 second row and third column. Second row and third column 5 by 2. Next problem. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So first do first parts. There are 24 elements. So therefore, number of possible orders is equal to number of factors of 24. 1 into 24, because number of rows 1 and number of columns 24. The number of elements 1 into 24, 24. Then 2 into 12, 12 to the 24. 3 into 8, 24. 4 into 6, 24. And vice versa, reverse order. 6 into 4, 8 into 3, 12 into 2 and 24 into 1. So there are 8 matrices. Now say, what if it has 13 elements? Only 13 elements. 13 is a prime number, so there are two factors. 1 into 13 and 13 into 1 is 2. So therefore, number of possible, second part, this is first part, number of possible orders is equal to 2. 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. Next problem. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to this. Means element of ith row and jth column is equal to this. For example, if you have to find element of first row and first column, so putting I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. So 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. I'm now simplifying. Minus 3 over 1 minus 2 and mod of minus 2 plus 2 upon 2 1. A12 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 mod of minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. A13 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 0, 0 upon 2 0. Similarly other elements. Now construct a matrix of order 3 by 4. So let A is equal to, अब there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So A11 first row first column, first row second column, first row third column, or A14 means element of first row and fourth column. Second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, and second row fourth column. A31 means element of third row and first column. A32, A33 and A34. So this is 3 by 4 matrix. Number of rows 3 and number of columns 4. Now put value of each element. A11 1, A12 1 by 2, A13 0, A14 minus 3 plus 4, so 1 by 2. A21 now put 2 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 1 5 by 2. 2 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 by 2 2. 2 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, so 3 by 2. A24 minus 6 plus 4 2 by 2 1. 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 8 by 2 4. 3 9 plus 2 minus 9 plus 2 7 by 2. 3 minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 by 2 minus mod of minus 6 plus 6, so 3. And last one 3 4 minus 3 ja minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 mod of minus 5 plus 5, so 5 by 2. Next problem. Find the value of A, B, C and D from the equation. Two matrices are equal. This is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2. Means corresponding elements are equal. Means element of first row and first column equal to element of first row and first column of second matrix. So on comparing, A minus B equal to minus 1, 2A minus B equal to 0, 2A plus C equal to 5, 3C plus D is equal to 13. अब now simplify these three equations. 2 minus 1. Subtract equation 1 from 2. 2A minus A minus B cancel, और 0 minus 1 equal to plus 1. So A equal to 1. अब now putting A equal to 1 in any of the equations. So A equal to 1. Therefore corresponding value of B is 1 minus 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So B equal to 2. अब now put A equal to 1 in this equation. So value of C 5 minus 2. So C equal to 3. Now put C equal to 3. So 3 3s are 9. So D equal to 13 minus 9, 4. Next problem. The number of all possible matrix of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is. Now this is 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 means number of rows 3 and number of columns also 3. R1, R2, R3, C1, C2 and C3. Each entry either 0 or 1 means first place can be filled by 0 or 1 in 2 ways. Second place can be filled in 0 and 1 ways by 2 ways. Third also 0 or 1, 2 ways. 0 or 1, 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 0 or 1. So by fundamental principle of multiplication, all possible matrices are 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times? 9 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 up to 9 factors is equal to 2 raised to the power 9 is equal to 512. So correct option is D. D 512. In next lecture we will do types of matrices. Thank you. Have a nice day.